latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The Cabinet on the 29th of July gave its green signal to the National Education Policy. The Human Resource Development Ministry has been renamed as the Ministry of Education by the Union Cabinet. Union Home Minister Amit Shah was reportedly personally involved in the process. Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar called it a historic moment as the education policy in the country was changed after 34 years.
प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की अध्यक्षता में मंत्रिमंडल की बैठक हुई और 21वें सदी के एक नई शिक्षा नीति को उसमें मंजूरी दी गई। यह बेहद महत्वपूर्ण है क्योंकि 34 साल से शिक्षा नीति में परिवर्तन नहीं हुआ था और इसलिए आज का ये जो परिवर्तन है और जो नई शिक्षा नीतियां है, मुझे विश्वास है कि पूरा समाज और सभी देशवासी इसका स्वागत करेंगे।
One of the key announcements of the new National Education Policy is the breakdown of the existing 10+2 structure. With the new education policy comes the introduction of 5+3+3+4 structure of school education. In the new system, which is 5+3+3+4, the first 5 years will be focused on the getting stronger foundation basics. Then, the next 3 years will be focused on exploring various subjects of education. From class 6th, students can also get access to areas that will be essential for their academic future. With the new system, there will not be a difference between academics and extracurricular activities. This means that sports activities will be given equal importance as any other subject like mathematics or English. Under the new system, flexibility will be given to students both in choosing the subjects for education as well as in the entry and exit and college degree programs. Flexibility to choose subjects across streams of arts, science, extracurricular, vocational and academic. Board exams to test only core competencies will be offered twice a year. 3-language policy to continue with 2 native languages. National Testing Agency to conduct common college entrance exam twice a year. 4-year multidisciplinary bachelor's program to be offered. Mid-term dropouts to be given credit with option to complete degree after break. Over the next 15 years, colleges will be given graded autonomy to give degrees and affiliation to universities will end. Proposal to cap fee charged by private institutions of higher learning. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also hailed the new education policy.
I wholeheartedly welcome the approval of the National Education Policy. This was a long due and much awaited reform in the education sector, which will transform millions of lives in the times to come. May education brighten our nation and lead it to prosperity.
The Prime Minister also said that the NEP aims at universalization of education from preschool to secondary level with 100% gross enrollment ratio in school education by 2030.